Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Foodie Furtado. Today I have brought another famous South Indian dish. It is the South Indian famous sambar. It is made with a variety of vegetables and lentils, and it is very flavorful. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the recipe. So now for the preparation of the sambar. First we have to prepare the sambar masala. So for the sambar masala I have taken half a teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, a few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of methi seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Now first we have to dry roast all these ingredients except the turmeric powder and the hing. So the rest of it first we will dry roast it up. So now for that, for dry roasting of the masala, I have taken a pan, and into that I'll be adding the cumin seeds, the coriander seeds, the mustard seeds, the urad dal, the chana dal, the methi seeds, the black peppercorns, and the curry leaves. And guys, I forgot to tell you all about the chilies. We have to put 4 red Kashmir chilies. And now we have to dry roast all these spices till they change their color and leave a good aroma. So here now the spices are dry roasted very well, and they have even changed their color, and they are giving a good aroma of it. So now we will cool this down and we will grind it to a fine powder. So now for preparing the sambar, I have taken a vessel, and into that I have added a tablespoon of oil. Now the oil is just becoming a little bit hot. So now the oil is nice and hot, so I'll be putting 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Let them crackle a little bit. And now we will put half a teaspoon of hing, and a few curry leaves. We'll just saute it for 2 minutes. And now we will be adding 4 red dry chilies. Just mix it up for 2-3 minutes, saute it. And now we will be adding 1 finely chopped onion, Now we have to fry the onion till it is just soft and translucent. We don't want to make the onion brown or anything. So only till the onion is nice and soft, we will fry it. Now the onions are nice and translucent. So now we will add the veggies. In the veggies, I have taken a small piece of pumpkin, that is a red pumpkin, 1 small carrot which I have cut into small cube pieces, 2 brinjals, these are small brinjals which I have cut into cubes, 4 to 5 French beans which I have cut into this size pieces. These are 2 drumsticks which I have cut into these pieces, and 1 onion which I have chopped. So all these veggies I will put into this now. And we will mix this up nicely. And we'll fry all these vegetables up for some few minutes. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and we'll mix this nicely. Then I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of homemade sambar masala. So we'll cook these vegetables for nearly 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll check on them. Now, as you all can see, the veggies are completely cooked nicely. So now we will be adding four tablespoons of tamarind water. I had kept some tamarind into the water soaked, and I've added now this tamarind water to it, which will give a nice taste to the sambar. We'll just give it a little bit mix. And now we'll be adding the cooked dal. This is the tur dal which I had cooked and kept, and I had mashed it also. Now we'll mix this nicely. See how lovely, beautiful the sambar is looking. And now the sambar is ready. So here we have to just add now freshly chopped coriander leaves. We'll mix this up a little bit. We'll just cook it for 2 more minutes and the sambar is ready to be served.
So now here the delicious looking sambar is ready. It is giving a very flavorful aroma which is making me hungry. It is usually served with idlis, dosas and utappas. It is also had with rice. So do give this recipe a try and let me know as to how you liked it. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as without your love and support we will not be able to grow this YouTube family of ours and take it to the top. So please inform your family, friends, neighbors to subscribe to this YouTube family of ours. I will see you all in my next video with another mouth-watering recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.